There are some important precautions to be adhered to in the maintenance of 555 products. To ensure maximum performance of 555 products, the following scenarios must be avoided at all times. Hammers must not be used. Using a hammer to remove or install a component may damage other surrounding parts and must be avoided. Do not replace parts without proper cleaning. When installing a product, clean both surfaces of tapered joints before installing the new product. Do not attempt to employ products without proper greasing. If the product being replaced requires greasing, be sure to apply before use. Fill with grease until the grease can be seen to exude from the slit in the dust cover. Also note that periodical application of grease will extend the life of the product. When doing so, fill with sufficient grease until the old grease oozes from the slit.